Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Sudha. In today's video, I am going to create Indian festive makeup look, for which I have chosen to create green smoky eyes. You can easily do this makeup on this coming Karwa Chauth or Diwali. Also in this video, I'll show you how you can create a perfect smoky eye within 5 minutes. If you are interested to know how I have created this whole look, please keep watching the full video. But before that, subscribe to my channel and enable the bell notification so that you'll never miss an update whenever I post a new video. So now without any further delay, let's move to the video. I would like to start with my eyebrows, for which I am using a black eyeshadow from the palette Makeup Revolution Volume 1. I am only shaping and filling the sparse area in my eyebrows so that my eyebrows look as natural as possible. And then brushing with the spoolie to make sure there is no harsh line left. I'm using Bobbi Brown's Full Coverage Concealer as a base to my eyelids and applying the same to above my eyebrows to make sure my eyebrows look more neat and sharp. For blending it, I'm using my fingers because I'm more comfortable with my fingers and it doesn't absorb any product. But if you want, you can use any brush or beauty sponge to blend it. For the next step, I am setting my concealer using a lighter shade of eyeshadow. Now I am applying a cello tape to my corners. By doing this, my corners will be very sharp. Next, I am using Drama Gel eyeliner and I'll be applying it below the crease to my eyelids. Don't worry about the shape because we are going to blend it anyway. Now I'm blending everything using a fluffy brush. Keep blending until you get the desired result because in eyeshadow or in a smoky eye look, blending is a key. Next I'm using a brown shade from the palette and this is going to be my transition shade. Again, I am applying and blending it using a fluffy blending brush. Now to complete the look, I am going to apply green glitter to inner half of my eyes. I'm using a clean brush to remove if anything has fallen out. I'll quickly apply the eyeshadow to my other eye as well off the camera. The eyeliner that I'm using is from Colorbar and I'm using a matte eyeliner. I'm creating a classic wing eyeliner here and elongating it to my inner corner as well. Now curling my eyelashes and applying a coat of mascara. The mascara that I am using is Zoom and Whoosh mascara from Colorbar. Now I'm using micellar water to clean below my eyes because usually whenever we use glitter it falls out. For prepping my skin, I'm using vitamin C face serum from Cosmos by Bewoof and massaging it gently for a minute. Next, I'm using a sunscreen from VLCC in SPF 60 and I'm applying it to my face and to my neck area. Whenever you are doing your day makeup, don't ever forget to apply sunscreen. Now for priming my face, I'm using Moisturizer Plus Primer from Bobbi Brown. The foundation that I'm using is Full Coverage Foundation from Bobbi Brown and I'm in shade Warm Natural. To apply my foundation, I'm using my beauty sponge. You can use any foundation brush as well. For the concealer, I am using the same which I have used earlier from Bobbi Brown and I am applying it to my usual areas wherever I have patches or I want to highlight. Again, for blending the concealer, I am using my fingers only. Next, I am applying the loose powder to the areas I have applied the concealer. It helps to set the concealer on place. For contouring, I am using cream contour from Stay Quirky and I am using the shade dark brown. I am contouring my usual areas like my nose, my cheekbones and my jawline. And to blend it, I am using an angled contour brush. Now to mattify the look, I am using pressed powder from Color Bar and I am in shade Nude Beige. Now I'm using a dark brown shade from the palette to highlight my contour. Blush that I'm using is from Color Bar and I'm using the shade Flushed Satin. The highlighter that I'm using is Metallic Master Chrome highlighter from Maybelline, and I'm again using it to my usual areas like my cheekbones, my brow bone, my nose. Now to complete the eye look, I am using the same green shade of eyeshadow to my lower lash line. Eye pencil that I am using is from Himalaya and I am applying it to my waterline. And then blending it with the green eyeshadow so that it doesn't smudge or bleed. And I'm applying a good coat of mascara to my lower lash line as well to complete the look. Lip pencil that I'm using is from Color Essence in shade Burgundy. For the lipstick, I'm using a nude brown shade from Stay Quirky. All the products that I have used in this video will be mentioned in the description box, so don't forget to check it. Lastly, I am using a makeup fixer from Swiss Beauty. And then I am setting everything using my beauty sponge. So this is the final look that I have created so far. Do let me know what you think about it in the comment section. In case you are recreating this look, so don't forget to tag me on my socials. My Instagram and other social links you will find in the description box, so don't forget to check that. If you like this video, then give it a thumbs up and subscribe the channel to watch more videos like this. I love you guys so much and I'll see you in a brand new video. Till then, stay safe and stay healthy. Bye.